What could NASA do if there were an asteroid or comet that might hit the Earth? As is the case with most things in science, the answer is it depends. It depends on the asteroid's size and shape, its intrinsic strength, the orbit it's following, and how much time we have until it might impact us. This thing that looks like a burnt rubber duck is a 3D printed model of comet Churyumov-Gerasimenko. This is the comet that the Rosetta spacecraft rendezvoused with, and it's about the size of the Los Angeles basin. What would we do if this was headed towards Earth? Well, we could try to hit it with a bomb of some sort and blow it up. If you saw my post about nukes and Jupiter, you know that nuclear weapons aren't that powerful, but asteroids aren't necessarily held together very strongly, so that might work. It might work for comets too. But then you'd have a whole bunch of little pieces heading more or less on the same trajectory. It's not the smartest move. You could, if you had the time and the engineering capacity, land some things on the surface with engines pointed up, and those engines could slowly divert the asteroid away from its path. That would require a lot of fuel, and hopefully you can just mine that fuel from the object itself. Otherwise, you've got to bring it all with you. Another thing that you can do, if you've got a long time to spare, is you can take a massive ship, and a massive ship, like the size of a skyscraper, it's still tiny next to this thing, and fly it alongside it. And even that tiny gravitational tug might be enough to pull the object away from its path so that many years down the line, it would miss Earth. So NASA has a program in place to identify potentially Earth-threatening asteroids. And it's getting better all the time, and we keep discovering threatening asteroids all the time. At the moment, there's nothing impending, but we're going to keep looking because big impacts do happen, and it'd be nice if we could do something about it.